Alright, hello everybody. Today I'll be showcasing the dungeon map that I have created for Gauntlet. Gauntlet is an upcoming roguelike dungeon crawler built in Minecraft. Now this dungeon map in particular was created using a resource pack with the new 117 core shaders. This dungeon map involves no other client-side modifications, so I'm running the vanilla 117 client. If you're connected with the vanilla 117 client right now, you'd be able to see the dungeon map. Now, what's really cool about this implementation is that the rotation and the position and even moving between two rooms is handled completely by the shader itself. No server input is really required. So what this means is that the rotation and the position is extremely responsive. Now, position wouldn't matter too much if that was handled by the server, but rotation really is a deal breaker. Rotation being handled by the server would create a noticeable delay of at least 50 milliseconds, more if you have higher ping to the server, which would completely break the illusion and make the map really annoying to use for players. But as you can see, the rotation of this map is completely handled by the shader. So any rotation I make is immediately the very same frame reflected in the map itself. Same with position. And as I said, if you move between rooms like this, it also, the updating or the highlighting of a new room is also handled by the client. Now I'll fly around for a bit. Now when you're flying at high speed, sometimes the map will disappear like that. So I'll fly a little bit slower and you can kind of see what it looks like as I move around. Now, for now, all of the rooms have skulls, but obviously later on, those skulls will be replaced depending on the actual type of the room. Now, another thing to note is that there's no trigger going on here. This map is not like hard-coded into the shader. If I generate a new dungeon, you'll see that the map does indeed update. I do need to move into a new room. But there you go. It is a little bit buggy, so sometimes you need to go to the hub first to unload the world. Otherwise, some of the chunks persist. But there you go. And yeah, that's the dungeon map.